Sir, Mr. Govinda is very much afraid.
Why?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, then let's find out.
Niocraaft, most trusted hair and skin clinic of Odisha.
Hi friends, this is Dr. Samitinja Rautray, cosmetologist, Niocraaft Bhubaneswar. Today we are here to share the journey of Mr. Govinda Saha, who visited us from Cuttack, Odisha. Mr. Govinda Saha had a complaint of hair fall and male pattern baldness grade 5. We had a consultation at our clinic and discussed about the treatment and its planning, which included hairline markup and estimation of the hair grafts. In this case, we used 3,500 to 3,600 hair grafts. Patient was then prepared for the surgery with all the routine investigations for determining the underlying diseases and its complications. Then arrived the OT day. Patient was quite confident and cooperative due to the proper counseling. With all aseptic measures, abiding by the rules and protocols of our clinic, the surgery was a huge success. Patient got discharged soon after the surgery and had his follow-up scheduled for ensuring the proper final result. As you all can appreciate, the result he gained after 3 months and the result he gained after 6 months. This is the final result. So, just by a simple consultation at our clinic, you can get your queries resolved and your confidence restored. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned. Jai Jagannath.
Most trusted government registered clinic, Niocraaft, Sahij Nagar, Bhubaneswar.